Welcome to episode 21 of the AutoCAD series. In this video, we'll learn how to use an object's image as a reference in AutoCAD and draw directly over it when creating the object from scratch becomes difficult. These are the lotus petals that I needed for my drawing, but drawing them directly was proving difficult, as shown here. So, I imported a reference image into AutoCAD and am now tracing over it to create the design more easily. Here, I have already created the petals using the arc tool by following the design in the reference image. Instead of repeatedly clicking on the arc tool, use it once and then press the spacebar to reactivate the last command for quick reuse. Whenever you want to check how the tracing looks, temporarily delete the image, review the design, and then press Ctrl+C to restore the image and continue tracing. Now, let's draw the pedestal. Using the line tool to draw the pedestal and done. Since the line was drawn a little short, let's use the stretch tool to extend it and complete the shape properly. Since this one isn't fitting properly, use the scale tool to adjust its size so it fits perfectly in that space. See how easy tracing makes it. Now give it a try yourself. Thank you, I hope this helps.